Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a pinwheel, and then I'll show you how to attach it to a piece of wood with just a thumbtack so you can actually blow on it and it will spin. Now you can actually add two of them to the same stick and it looks really cool. But to fold this, we're going to be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. Now we're going to start with the colored side down. Now we'll valley fold in half along the horizontal and the vertical. So we'll bring this right edge over to meet the left edge. Just make sure that lines up corner to corner and then crease it down. And now unfold. Now we'll bring the top edge down to lie along the bottom edge. And then crease that all the way across. And then unfold. Next we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So we'll bring this top right corner down to the bottom left corner. Just make sure the corners line up and then crease it across. And then unfold. Now bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And crease that down. And then unfold. Next we're going to bring this bottom edge in to lie along this center crease, but we're only going to crease it from this crease to this crease. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll bring that edge up. Just make sure it lines up right in the center. Then you'll see this crease mark right here. You'll start the crease right there and then crease it over to the other crease just like that. And then unfold. And you can see that that crease ends right where the diagonals are. Now we're going to do this with the other three sides. So I'm going to rotate this as I go. So now we'll do the next one. Just bring it up to that center crease. And then crease it down, stopping at the diagonals. And then I'll rotate again and do the same thing here. And rotate one more time. Repeat that step on this edge. And now all those creases you just made should form a square. For the next step, we're going to form a bunch of creases at the same time. So we're going to take two opposite corners and we're going to pinch them together. And then we're going to bring those corners in towards the center, and these creases of that square we just made are going to start to form. And now as you do that, hold it in place and then crease the other corners in. Just to bring it all together. We didn't make any new creases yet. So each of these points should be sticking straight up. Now we're going to take one point, this bottom right one, and fold it straight down. And that step you are going to make a new crease. I'll show you how that worked. Now with this bottom left, we're going to fold it out to the left side. And then the top left will fold straight up. And then the top right, we're going to fold out to the right. Now it should look like this. So we're all done folding the pinwheel. Now to actually attach it so it can spin, you'll need to find pretty much any piece of wood. I'm using a paintbrush here. A pencil will work, or chopsticks, or anything that you can stick a thumbtack into. Then just grab a thumbtack as well. We're going to take that and poke it directly through the center. Now, of course, be careful while you're doing this so you don't poke your fingers. And then we're going to take this paintbrush, I'm going to set it straight down, and then put that thumbtack right into the middle. I'm going to hold the paintbrush in place and then just push straight through. I do this while it's laying down so you don't end up poking out the other side. Now it should be attached. Then if you just blow right on the side, it should spin. You just need to make sure there's a little bit of space so it has room to spin. If you push it in too hard, it'll just stick in place. Now if you want to add a second color, you'll just need to fold another one using the same steps we just did. And then you can stick the tack through the first one, right in the center, and then add the second one on. Then it looks really cool if they're just staggered like this. And then you're going to attach that to whatever piece of wood that you have. Just like before. And there you have it. Now you can add a third one if you'd like to. And now we're all done. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.